Wonder who that might be. Oh, kitty. You're something else, kitty cat. The fuck? Kitty. I feel like it's about dinner time. I didn't realize all I had to do was like walk down the thing a little bit to see the lake. But go figure, kitty run up on me. I'm down here. Whoa. Like a couple houses or whatever. It's like that beautiful purple. And then kitty pop up. Oh, kitty, kitty. That tree over there. Almost looks like something hanging there. They just bounced, I think. Dude, the drones in this neighborhood. That's a woodpecker right there, I'm pretty sure. Oh, there's something on the tree. No, leaf. That's the thing. Look at his face. What's up with that tree? Hello. He's got like googly eyes. Oh, there might be something that lives in that hole. Like woodpeckers. Like woodpeckers. Shout out Paranoid American. I heard a bird right above me. So I thought, oh, we might have found him. I swear, like all the birds in Florida, they like to hop. Oh, that's a nest, maybe. Like so close. They're so little though. I mean, the butterfly birds at my house, they're so freaking tiny. Like, it's impossible. Oh, that might be a cardinal. But it also may not. How come I don't see not one bird? There's one. Maybe two. Maybe three. One for sure. See him bouncing. And the other one bouncing. I'm not sure what's up with that. Maybe it's like a tactic. That might be a cardinal, actually. I mean, they are so fucking tiny. I don't know what kind of tree that is. And then now I hear, oh, that's Kitty. There's Kitty, oh my gosh. I'm not like the biggest cat fan. I can't tell if that was something or nothing, but I feel like it was something. But it looks more like a cat. Or, I don't know. It does kind of, doesn't it look like it has a tail? I mean, am I totally tripping? It is plausible. Oh, they don't want me standing here because they're dropping shit. Looking right at me, I do believe. All these things with tails. And I will say at night, you go stand outside the, what is that? See, is that just a stick? Or is it something white looking at me? I don't know. I mean, obviously somebody's over there, but it looks like a bird that's white. Was looking at me. Now I do see that body. Weird shapes. Alright, that's a white bottom and a gray back. Maybe. Wait, there's what I keep thinking is that bird. Hold on. Is that a, what the fuck is that? I feel like this is about the tree, give or take, where the drone landed. Or the one right behind me. I know he kind of looked like an owl for a minute. What is that? Looks like a dog with a coat on. Or a fucking poncho. But it's in the tree. That makes, oh, so much sense, huh? I feel like, that kind of looks like an owl, too. I'm not 100% sure. He has a cool face. Let's see what we get. Just going slowly. Like, that's definitely something, but why does it also look kind of like a teddy damn bear? There's also something at the very top. Probably a hawk.